Hello guys, Swift Monkey here. If you're watching this, you're probably new to the channel and never seen me before. You clicked on the channel and clicked on this video considering I finally have a homepage. We have Bloodbolt that just joined us. Welcome to the Swift Monkey channel. This is a welcome video. I swear to God, Bloodbolt. I'm just trying to make a welcome video. I mainly Cole. Yeah, if I have some annoying friends, don't mind them. I post randomly, in case you're wondering. If you read my description, I go by Swift Monkey, the Clover Man, I guess, Paradox. Some people just name me Swift. I'm still working on creating shorts. Oh my god. I'm still learning how to create shorts. I need a phone. I don't have a phone, I'm getting something. For live streams, I do live streams either for a special like 100 subscribers. I did a live stream for 100 subscribers. When I'm maxing out Survivor and Forsaken. As you see, I maxed out Elliot on stream, John Doe on stream. So I do that when I reach level 95. I normally do a live stream. When I'm doing Robux chat events where I give away Robux, I do live streams on that too. But there's the live stream part. I post randomly. It could be who is better, me or some random like Quantum leaks, stuff like that, randomly. And that's pretty much it for that. I'm good friends with people like Gamer Bunny 5, Quantum, people like that. But that and my most requested games, I normally play, as you can see, Forsaken, X, Shattered Time, and leaks on my game, Hacker Tower Defense, and once out, videos on the game. But when I'm doing live streams, I normally let people friend me to play with me. So if you want to be friends with me, then just hop in on a live stream and I'll probably accept your friend request. That's the only time I do accept friend requests. And I just have a good time. If you happen to see me in one of your games, don't be afraid to say hi or something. I'm trying to get my joins to be open, so if you happen to see me online Roblox, which I am pretty much every day, then feel free to join me. I like company. Feel free to say hi and stuff. I'm not promising I'll be recording, but I might be. I'm normally on a tablet, meaning I can't record. But anyways, but with that, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and Swift Monkey out.